one thing that I'm looking forward to most by participating is probably learning how to manage my money better.
I am looking forward to learning how to manage money.
I look forward to learning how to manage money, also further my knowledge and business owning.
A couple things I'm looking forward to is learn how to make, save, and invest money.
I'm looking most forward to is definitely trying to learn how to, save money, invest, how to get more money, how to become more financially stable and meeting people who would have similar goals.
One thing I'm looking forward to by participating is helpful tips for my future on helping me be able to manage my money as efficiently as possible.
2 ways I could make $100 by the end of this course is probably wash my clothes and keep my grades up, and this can help me towards my long-term goal by staying consistent, so I can keep on getting the allowance that comes with it.
Include you taking advantage of an opportunity I have at KSU to review courses for profit, and another way would be to sell things on eBay that I know we use also for profit.
I choose to invest in Apple because when I looked at the research and stuff like that, I saw the growth in the company and the future to grow. Everyone buys iPhones, iPads, and stuff. So I put my confidence in investing in them because they always have been successful with their products.
I plan to invest in Amazon. I chose this company because it has a pretty good reputation and it seems to be growing and very successful. And the price is it's very low. It's $175. So yeah.
So I plan to invest in Nvidia because it's already on the rise and there are new things that they're releasing on a regular basis. And since the beginning of when it went public, it's went up 190,000%, and that's very profitable. So that's why I picked Nvidia.
All right, hello everybody. I'm here with my aunt, and today we're going to be discussing my spending plan and my income and my expenses.
Hey Mom, I've created a budget or spending plan to better appropriate my money throughout the week so I can save and work towards saving $100.
Being financially stable allows me to enjoy life and help people in need.
Helps you just in case in times of need, where something crazy happens, you have the money behind you to take care of that. And it's also nice to know you have money so you can treat yourself without having to worry about anything.
Is you're more in control of your money and you don't have to worry as much. You don't have to be rushing to figure out what you want to do. And also you are more in control of what you can do with that money as well.
Is that you don't have to worry about not having food that day, and yet you can enjoy yourself and live a comfortable life.
Another benefit of being financially stable is having the ability to plan for your future, paying down payments on big purchases like houses or cars or even college tuition. Is better able when you have money to do so.
I think it's been very informative on some of the different things that I didn't know before, even though I had missed the first session. Still very informative on where to put your money, where not to put your money, and to split up the spending and make sure you do everything in moderation.
Yeah, I enjoyed these past 4 weeks, and I really liked when we talked about the part about investing. Yeah, talk about investing and getting into stocks and the 50-30-20 rule.
What's something that you'll do differently or based off of what you learned, or what's something you'll start doing based off of what you learned?
I'm definitely gonna start doing the rule that you taught me, the 50-30-20 rule.
Okay.
And definitely gonna start saving more and I'm definitely in the near future probably gonna start what you said about compound interest, and maybe deep in the future. So those are 3 things I'm probably gonna start doing a lot more, man. Thank you.
Excellent. Christian, get ready to come off of mute. Darius says, something I will do differently is making sure I do the 50-30-20 rule in investing. All right. Excellent. What about you, Christian?
Something I think I would do differently is more on the earning money side, like going after those opportunities to make money and like making my talents grow so I can also like maybe start a small business or something like that.
I like that. I like that. And I would love to see it. And I'll be one of your first supporters. So start that business, let me know. And I'm happy to be one of your first supporters.